Okay, so Amazon reveals its new Prime Air delivery drone. Have you heard about this?
Ooh, robots.
So it kind of looks, I don't know, kind of looks like a drone, I guess, but it's a weird shape.
Yeah, that
And
is
it's
weird.
supposed to carry like smaller packages to your
Man, they're
place.
not giving up on this drone thing.
Yeah,
They're doubling down.
yeah.
Bezos, he's going to space. He's getting jacked.
He is pretty muscular.
He's getting
Say that.
muscular. He gave his ex-wife $10 billion, maybe more. I don't. Is it like 50 billion? I don't know what it was.
Something like that.
She's gonna. Apparently, she's giving it all away. By the way,
Really?
she claims she's gonna give away every penny of that Amazon money.
Charity.
She didn't even want it.
Oh,
I mean, I'm sure people. I'm sure she's gonna get wined and dined, though. It's not easy to give away billions of dollars without getting wined and dined.
no.
You can't co-wine and dine. You see? Anyway,
Anyways.
so
So
get back to the drone, Will. I apologize.
it's able to fly for 30 minutes, carry 5 pound packages, and it's meant to deliver at a really fast rate. Like once you order it, it can sort of be like a 1 hour turnaround time or something.
You know what? This is scary, but this is cool. Like this is just cool. Can you imagine? Like how efficient things could be, how quickly you could get things. I mean, I guess delivery men aren't too happy, wouldn't be too happy about it. But like this guy just dropped something off at your house. It's so futuristic.
It's a bit dangerous though, don't you think? Like having these drones fly
Of
around
course
the
it is.
city,
Dude,
people trying to shoot them down.
all advancement is dangerous on some level. These things are gonna be bumping into each other. Like it is interesting that they say it's not simulated, but the video they're showing off, this drone is in like a farmer's field where no one's ordering
Yeah.
anything. Like, where is he right now? You know? This is the only place they could get clearance for him to fly. Why am I calling it him? He does have a little personality, though, doesn't he? I don't know if it has a name. Does it have a name? I don't think so. Delivery drone. Amazon Prime's new delivery drone. No, that would be too much personality. Yeah, what kind of environments could he work in? I mean, you couldn't have drones flying around New York City or downtown Toronto immediately. That would be super problematic.
Probably more rural areas.
Rural situations, possibly. And then people got to treat the drones nice. You imagine all the mischief and vandalism, and I don't know. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be instant. But if you look at automation elsewhere in the land of self-driving, everybody's ordering food now at their houses. I mean, those are humans driving the food, but people love convenience. It's a topic we keep coming back to. If this can improve an end user's experience, they'll do it and they won't care. If a person can get a package faster with less friction, the sky is underutilized, Will. Let me just tell you, science fiction, when we were kids, the sky was all about the sky. You ever see Blade Runner? Will, Star Wars? The sky is full in all that stuff. Full of people, things moving around. Humans, other aliens, items, objects, vehicles, everybody's moving around, utilizing that volume. The ground is crowded. It's gross. It's dirty. The sky, it's a good time. And we didn't get that promise yet. It's definitely not flying cars. That ain't it. Because don't lie, Will, you expected when you were a kid?
Well, yeah, of course.
Yeah, exactly. So we're lagging behind on the sky, and I gotta appreciate Bezos saying, you know what? It's time. We gotta go to the sky. He's going to space, he's going to the sky, and he's getting jacked. He's staying jacked. He's already jacked.
Forever jacked.
Forever jacked. He's on those next level supplements.
Yeah.
he's on that youthful stuff.